More than 130 people killed today alone across Syria. 11 of the dead are children, according to activists. And they say President Bashar al-Assad is now using even more muscle, more firepower, trying to stomp out the resistance.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
You hear the sounds there. The government says it's only targeting armed militants, but one activist says no one is safe. Here's his views from the streets, and I want to warn you, it's easy. You might want to turn away.
This is a civilian house. This is where civilians live. The pieces of bodies are still in here. That's all it is. These are bodies. These are civilian bodies. These are civilian bodies. This isn't the army. These are children, men, women being killed.
That's a disturbing perspective from the ground level in the city of Homs. We want to give you now a unique perspective of what this looks like from above. These are satellite images. This is the broader of the city of Homs. It has been under siege for months, and especially in recent days. This image taken just a few days ago, February 5th. Now, we want to show you a little then and now. Let me start here, and excuse me one second while I stretch this out. Look on the left. This image is August 2010. You see a little traffic in the streets. If you look closely at the rooftops of the buildings, they're all in pretty good shape. Now let's look over here. This is just a few days ago. Look at the tops of the building. You can see a lot of damage. Look right here in the streets, some sort of a burn crater here. Again, more damage over here. Now, obviously, we're not there, but this powerful satellite imagery tends to support the accounts from activists that there's a lot of shelling and fighting going on in the city and a lot of fires. That's just one. Let me show you another one. Just down the street here, we'll pop this one out, a little bit of then and now that gives you a perspective of just how under siege this city is. Again, look at the intersection. You see some buses, you see some cars, you see traffic coming this way, traffic going this way, and again, the rooftops, pretty intact. A pretty organized, looks like a clean neighborhood. Now look over here. It's like a ghost town. There's no cars at all. There's damage in the roads and so much damage on the top of the buildings up in here as well. That's that burn degree I showed you earlier. One last image I want to show you here now. Again, August 2010 here, February 2012 here. You see the tops of the buildings. You see much more damage here and a bit of a fire right in this area here. A lot of damage to the structures over here that you don't see at all when you look back here. Again, we're not there on the ground, but these images do tend to support what you get from activists on the ground, that this has been a city for months now, and especially in recent days, under siege. A fascinating way to look at it from satellite images taken from space. We'll stay on top of that story. And coming up in about 15 minutes here, we'll reveal the personal emails of top Syrian officials. They were apparently hacked, and you won't believe how they're trying to spin this brutal crackdown to Americans. But up next,